Red switch. Definition. A red switch is an electrical switch activated via magnetic field. When the contacts are normally open, they are closed in the presence of a magnetic field. When normally they closed opening in the presence of a magnetic field. It was invented by Edward in 1936 while working for Well Laboratories. Description. The red switch consists of a pair of ferrous contacts enclosed, vacuum inside a glass tube. Each contact is sealed at opposite ends of the glass tube. The glass tube may be about 10 millimeters long by 3 millimeters diameter. When approaching a magnetic field, the contacts are joining, closing an electrical circuit. The rigidity of the contact will separate the disappearance of the magnetic field. To ensure durability, the tip on the contact has a button of a precious metal. Application. They are with daily use in the modern world as part of electrical circuits. A widespread use can be found in the sensor of doors or windows burglar alarms. The magnet is attached to the door and the frame red switch. In the speed sensor bicycle magnet, it is one of the spokes of the wheel, while the red switch is placed in the claves. Some computer keyboards are designated by placing magnet on each on the case and the red switch in the bottom of the plate. When a key is pressed on the magnet and red switch activated you. Currently, this solution is obsolete. Capacitor switch being used varying the condition of a resonance circuit. The red switch also have detected switch contacts are very small and delicate, so it cannot handle large voltage or current values, causing spark instead that affect their life. In addition, large current value can make contact and the magnetic field generated can reach magnetize the contact.